Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, April 26th. I've been looking for follow through to the upside this week. That's what you and I have been talking about. Thursday gave us the right kind of behavior here for the NASDAQ market, and Friday I'm looking for these buyers to continue to come into this market. We are at a critical level here, so the behavior not only today does it affect today's action, but it affects possibly the next couple weeks. Can't wait to see what happens. But I'm also bullish when it comes to the euro. I am bearish on the US dollar. I am looking for follow through here to the upside. Now in the Aussie dollar, and again this is only as a reference, not that it means anything, but if you look at this bearish level down to this bullish level, that difference here between those two markets, that difference is 142 ticks. And in that particular market, one full tick is $10. So to be 142 times 10, or $1,420, is the magnitude change that you see here in this currency. And remember, if you want to trade currencies and you have an approach that you've done your homework on, microcurrencies may be something to consider. In a microcurrency, it'd be 1/10 of that value. So in other words, it'd be $142. Each tick is not $10, but it's $1. Let's move on. In the interest rates, I want to see these back off, but instead they're bouncy. We do have an auction that's going on right now this week. It appears to be going well, but I'm not looking for a dramatic move in those markets. But I am looking for buyers to continue here when it comes to copper. Excuse me, not only copper, but gold. And what I'm looking for in that market is for the buyers to maintain this upward pressure as we go into the weekend. As we talked about before also, that how we moved up with respect to this benchmark candle would be important. In silver, the difference between the bearish level here and this bullish level, in that particular market, that would be, in the silver market, it would be, let's see here, $2.88, which would translate to $14,400 per contract. That would be the size of this move. And again, I'm not suggesting that anyone should get that or they would expect that kind of return, but I want again to give you a feel for what are these magnitude of changes that we see. Let's move on and let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil is moving higher on expectations, not on economic reality, but on expectations. And yes, if you and I were long, nothing telling us to get out, I just have a hard time supporting these price levels. But the fact is, prices here, nothing telling us to be a seller. If we look at the grains, I'm looking for buyers to return to this market. As I said before, I am not bearish these grain markets. I'm looking for buyers to continue to the upside. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.